Good evening, everyone, and once again, I welcome you all to this whiteboard animation class. I pray and hope it will be beneficial for every one of us. Now, without much ado, let's get straight to practicals. So, I believe by now everybody has downloaded the Benime app or the Doodlify app, and it's already on your phone. So, the next thing that you do is you look for mine is here, right here. Then click on it. So this is it. This is the interface you see once you enter your Benime app. Obviously you won't have something like this. It is because I have created many projects. That's why you're seeing things like this. But for you who are just using this app for the first time, there's not going to be anything like this here. Instead you have just this, and you have to create a new a project or something like that. So this is pro. There is pro version, there is free version. I am using the free version right now because I couldn't get premium version of apps because I'm having an issue with my Google Pay and my credit card, so my debit card rather. So I just couldn't do that right now. So you can see here we have different templates. You can click on templates and edit anything that you want. Are you looking for a photography studio, things like this, dating app, website pro, daycare center? This templates, they are pro version, the premium version, but you can still have one for free version. So let me see daycare center. You can see this is a pro template, so I'm not having access to it because I have not subscribed to their pro version. I have not purchased the pro version. I think if you this is no there is no monthly subscription for this app. It's only one time payment, and that's about 8,000 or so. So I just click out and then look for the one that is free. Okay, click on renewable energy explainer. Okay, I think this is free. This is a free template that you can use and edit your work. This is good. So energy consumption is a huge part of the daily life, so you can just edit this. This is page 1, page 2, page 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can have as many pages as you want. So you can just click here, take this, you can edit this, you can delete this, and you can do anything that you want with the template. But we're not going for the template right now. We just want to start a new project and explain all the buttons that we have on the interface. So do you want to save project, your movie project? No, because we're not saving that right now. So if you want to start from the scratch, you want to build our own whiteboard animation from the scratch. Maybe you want to have an explainer video from the scratch, or an advertisement video, or an educational video. You can have anything that you want with this app, though it is limited to some extent, but at least you can still get good quality results. Yeah, with this little feature that I have there, provided you know how to exploit the app, you know how to use it very, very, very well. So to create a new project, we need to click this plus button that you're seeing here. This plus button, this plus button, this white colored plus button with the red background. We click on this, and it's saying name your movie. So let's say we want to name our movie. Let's say Nivea advert, and it's saying we should choose a size, canvas size. Canvas is just a plain board, a plain whiteboard where you have nothing there. So you're just about to start your own write-up, start your drawing, start your presentation, everything. That's just a canvas. something plain, like right off. There's nothing there. You don't want to start writing things on the board yourself. So let's say we choose our canvas size. You see, you have YouTube 1080 pixel, YouTube 720 pixel, Instagram 16 by 9, TikTok, Vimeo, no, Vimeo, Facebook. All this, they are medium in which you can upload your video. And like YouTube has been around for a long time, and it has sizes, frame sizes. So I prefer, you can choose anyone provided that they are large pixels. So I prefer YouTube 1080 pixel. So asking me create movie. Let's create a movie. Of course we want to create a movie, so we'll click on create movie. Then after that, it will take you to this page, this interface you're seeing here. You have a canvas in the middle, then you have the buttons here, you have the features here, and then you have 3 buttons at the top. So let's start with this button at the top here. This arrow button facing left means if you want to go back to the previous interface. If I click here, it will tell me, do you want to save your movie project? If I say yes, then yes. If I say no, then no. If I say no, it will just take me back. That means everything I created has not been saved. If you click no, nothing will be saved on your work. So please mind that once you're done with your work, you click yes. So let's click this again, and then name your movie Nivea advert, YouTube 1080, create movie. If you go back again, then you click yes. So now if you this button that looks like a media card button, if you click on this, it will tell you, do you want to save your movie? Just like I did earlier. Yes, you click on yes. But we're not ready to save our movie now, so you click out. This is the button after you must have created everything that you did. Then you click this play your work for you, so you can see which one is better and which one is not. So you can see the words that are coming fast, you can see the objects that are coming slow. You can set your time, you can set your delay, you can set the pause, and you can set the duration here. And then, like you see, do you want to share your movie? Before you share your movie, you have to name your movie. But we're not ready to do that. We'll come back to that just to explain things off, to get things started before we move on. So you click cancel. Now let's take this button down here. This is the sticker button. If I want to add any picture, a clip art, a vector image, an animation, SVG, if I want to add anything like that, I'll click on this sticker that has a smiley icon, a smiley icon. I'll click on this sticker here. Now you can see, I'll click on the sticker. You have add image, add SVG, add animation, Giphy, on splash. Now pick your own. When you have this highlighted, when you see this in red color, this means this is the one you are under, this is the one you're working with right now. Pick your own says you are picking everything from your phone. If you want to add image, you add image from your memory card, from everything that you have installed on your phone, or everything you have downloaded on your phone. That is where you pick add image. Add SVG, this is a vector image, something like a clip art, not real image. Vector is different from image. So like a clip art, you pick it. Let me show you something like a clip art. Oh, I don't have that here. When I said that, I'll just show them to you. Add SVG animation, something that will be moving up in your whiteboard. And Giphy, just like those WhatsApp gifs that you have there. Maybe somebody will be clapping and clapping and clapping. The same person with the same action going around in loop. That's gift. So if you want to pick it, you can just pick anything from here. Then drawings, you can see you have drawings here. You have airplane, you have kite, you have jet, you have flowers, you have smiley faces, you have blackboard, you have cars, you have chart, you have things like that. People, these are all pro versions, so these are pro, but you can see the things that you want to use for educational animation. You can see school bag, a jar for chemistry class, glue and everything. Buildings, electronics, kitchen, they are all there for you. Whatever you want to use. But to use this you have to purchase the pro version. Furniture, you can see shapes. You have different shapes. Of course shapes are free. You can choose anything that you want here. Loti art. This is some kind of flash. That's yeah, animation. So let's say you pick this, so you can see well, we don't need this now. So this button here is the delete button, just like going to the waste bin. You click on your delete button. We don't need that. We've done for sticker. Then text. This is text. Okay, before text, let's go to after Loti art. We have character, we have weather. So if you want to make a whiteboard animation or an explainer video about uh, climate, weather changes and everything, we have weather here too. You can pick something and quickly just start something up. You have clouds, you have rain, you have sunshine, you have thunder, you have lightning. You can see you have umbrella, you have like, yeah, at a beach. Let's represent that. And then you have social media. You can give a thumb up, you know, emoticons like this for your write-ups, for your animation. And you have character. You have a guy giving a thumb up, giving a like button, a doctor, a nurse, and everything. A doctor, a female doctor, a male doctor. You can just have any, just get things going. So that on that. And then text, we have text here. You can come here and insert any text that you want. You can come and insert any text that you want, like hello, hello there. Insert, you click on insert, there you have your text. So you can use this to centralize the text, to justify, to what's it called, to make your text align to the right, to the center, to the left, to the center, and to the right. But sometimes this doesn't really work well, so I prefer going around with my text with my finger, just to arrange things myself. I prefer that. Let me just put it down here. So now let's explain this interface too. Now here where you have this uppercase letter A and lowercase letter a, this is where you have your font. If you click here, you see different font. You see marker, Patrick, flower. Choose any one that you want. You have like about 20 over 20 fonts there. Let's say I chose McLaren, and then this box where you have this dark color is your color palette. You click on it, you can see this is all dark. Don't be scared, just move this and move it here to the right. Then you have your colors. You can choose purple or this color. Hello there. You can see things are coming up. Then this button, you can use it to decrease the size, and you can use this to increase the size. This arrow that is facing up and the one that is facing down. So here, this pencil button, you click on it. There you can edit your text or write more, put comma or write more, or just edit your text. Click on insert. Then if you click this what's it called, this tick button, and then that means you're done. So this is delay, this is duration, and this is pause. Delay, let me just make it work so you can see what I'm talking about. So this delay, if you choose this arrow that is going up, if I want to increase the delay to 2, the delay starts from 2. You can't get delay of 1. So delay starts from 2. And duration is 2. If I pause, 1. Now let's see how my animation will come out. Remember, if you want to check things out, I'll go to my play button and press my play button. So I'll press this. You can see that for my text to come up, it took some seconds. That is the work of the delay. Now, if I want to edit the animations again for my text, I'll click on the text like this, and then I'll have, so let me remove the delay and let's see what's coming up. You can see immediately it came up. So that is the work of the delay. Alhamdulillah. So now we want to edit more, we want to see more at the edit properties for text. So we click on the text like so, and then we've explained this. And the pause, let me remove the pause. We don't need the pause. We just need it to write straight through. Now this is the size. I can also increase the size here by dragging this to the front. But this doesn't really have much effect. This will just expand your write-up, just stretching it out. This does the real work. But if you really want to break down your work, maybe you have written something so long like this. Let me show you something. Assuming this is back here, so let me show you something. Hello there, my name is Chai, and I would like, okay, and I am glad you have attended this class. You can see this is long. You can see you can no longer see the hello there. It's no longer there. So this size here, it is used to correct this. So if I drag it to the front, you can see that you can see my hello there. My name is Anna Pekuntai and I'm glad you have attended this class. You see, if I drag it more, you can see it's expanding, it's spreading it out. You know, this is the work of this size here, and it's different from this. This is just increase the font size. This will increase the font size. You can see, while this will just help you break down your write-ups easily. So they all have different work to do. So too bad Benime does not have a redo undo button. You have to click and just make corrections yourself. So let's erase this, insert. So now look at this button here that you have here that looks like a zigzag button somewhere. If you click on it, you have animation. you have animation. This is default animation. Let's see what the default animation is. Let's imagine default animation. Default animation is that handwriting that you see. Default animation is the hand drawn. Hand drawn. Normally, that is the work of a whiteboard animation, where you have a canvas and you see a hand from nowhere giving you the information that you need, and you have a voiceover completing the work for you. But in this case, I'm not using my voice to do a voiceover. You can just use a music track or anything, or sound, or anything that you want. That's just whiteboard for you. So now, this is the default animation where you have your hand. And then, let's say I want to change the animation. Let's say, tada, hello there. You can see the animation has changed. That is the work of this there. So we are done with this interface. We tick it and say we're good to go. We move on. Now next, what we have here is BG, the background button. We have the background button. So BG is background. Imagine this is whiteboard. We say we are working with whiteboard animation. Actually, there's whiteboard, there's glassboard, and what's the third one? It's the software actually that have it, not apps that you use on phone. Softwares that you can use on a computer or you use on the internet. But for this, we just have the whiteboard animation. And here, this is the whiteboard. Which is exactly what we need. But some people feel like, okay, I really need a good background. Like I need a colorful background. So you click on this background and choose the color that you want. Mind you, once you change the color, that will be the color that will appear on every slide you are opening. That's just one thing about this Benime. You can have one side saying this is white background, another slide having second background, no, different background. You choose one. So we want to choose white. Let's go back. You click on this center here, this middle, this right center. You click on it to have your white background back, or you can just drag your color palette all the way to the front, and here you have your white color. Click OK. Then this is the hand. You have different kind of hands. You can see this is the one I've been using. If I want to change it to something like this and play, but remember my animation is there, so let me just go and remove that animation. Let me click on it and go and just click on default animation. So let me play and see what's up. You can see that the hand has changed. The hand is different. Let's take another one and let's see. Let's say I pick this. So let's play. You can see that the hand is different. So that's the work of the hand. The music, you can decide that you want to put a background music for your work. So you can say choose track. You go to choose track and go to your phone gallery and choose any one that you want from your library. So then you can do a voice over. you click on it that you're done. So if you want to use it, you play and listen to yourself. Are you correct? Do you get it very well? If no, you can, this is the waste bin icon, you just delete it that you don't want. And after you're done with everything, you click on this tick button again. You click on this. So that's all you have on whiteboard animation. That's all you have on whiteboard animation. So that's just all your animation. Let's delete this. So like I said, I want to make an advert for Nivea. Let's try something. Are you looking, I've done that before, for the perfect touch for your dark skin? Let's go ahead and put that here. Are you looking for the perfect touch for your dark skin? Okay, I'm good with that. And I want to add a sticker. I'll go to my sticker. I'll pick the image that I have here. I'll click on this. Then I have this. If I want to decrease the image, I'll go to size. I'll reduce it this small. I'll increase it. I'll increase it. I'll increase it. You know. Now after that, duration 3 seconds. 3 seconds is too much. I don't want something that's too long. 2 seconds. I said 3 seconds is okay. I'll click here. I'll go to my next page and say, well, not to worry. Not to worry. I'll put this here too. Well, not to worry. I'll click yes. Let me take another text. Nivea nourishing cocoa butter is just what you need. Okay, so let's adjust that. Nivea nourishing cocoa butter is just what you need. Let me change the color. It's something like this. So here you have it. So let me pick another picture. I'll go to sticker. Excuse me. So let's have it. Nivea nourishing cocoa butter is just what you need. Then I can go ahead and bring a picture here, and I'll put it here. So I can decide to give this an animation. Let me say flash. Okay, and I want to give this animation to, I don't want it to be default animation. Let me say wave. You can just leave this to normal default animation. I'll click and I'll bring this here. I'll click on the new slide and then say, let me bring sticker and bring let me delete this. Let me take another one. Let me take this and put this here. Let me say animation. I want to change the animation. Bounce in right. Bounce in right. and I'll just give the attribute 48 hours deep moisturizing. I'll bring this here. I will decrease the size. Bring this here. I can increase the size here. Increase the size for the 8 hours deep moisturizing. Let me change the color. It's something that I'd like. Let me say this. Let's choose this. Let me take another one. Let's see. Enriched with vitamin. Enriched with vitamin A and E. Okay, let me see. This, let me choose animation. Let me see. Bouncing left. Bouncing left. Then bouncing left. So, okay. This is this now. This is one. This is one. Okay. I want to decrease the size, so let me take another sticker. This is just an example of. Let me take this, and let me take this. So there's just one thing I want you to know with Benime. Any image that you want to come first, that you prefer for it to come first, or any text that you prefer that it should appear first, is the one you bring out first. If you bring out image first and write text later, image will come first. If you write the text first and then bring out the image later, the text will come before the image. So you just have to take note of that. This is taller, and make it smaller. Make it the same size now. A bit. It's okay. I think this is okay. So I have this. I'm okay. So let me take text. Wear your skin with pride. Wear your skin with pride. So let me choose this. Okay, I want to change this font. Dancing, no. Damien is okay. Damien, let me increase the size. Let me bring it down a bit. It's okay. Let me increase the size. I want this to be normal animation. I'll just bring this to default animation rather. Just bring this. Let me say wave. There's no time just to see what's going on. Duration 3 is too long. 2, 1. Wear your skin with pride. Let me see the type of hand I'm choosing. I think I'll prefer this. I'll like this. Also, I forgot to show you something. If you don't want any hand to show, it will play. So you can see. So you can see. So you can just choose whatever you want. You can just roll. So that's just it. So this is too slow. No one, it's just slow. I want something fast. You can make your advertisement in 20 seconds or less than. This is too slow. You can see I've changed it. This is too slow. Duration one is okay. This is just perfect. So you can see where your skin is fried. I'm okay, but I want the hand to show, so I'll just prefer this. So let's take it. This is now okay. One. Why is slow? So you can see. I will say I remove the hand. It's okay like that. So once you're done with your work, you can, like I said earlier, you can add track or voiceover. But since I won't be using any of that, I'll just come here. So you play again to see if you're okay with your. I'm okay with mine. I'm okay with mine. I'm okay with myself. Just come here and click it. Do you want to save your movie? Yes. And it will save my project for me. Then I'll click here, the share button. I'll click the share button. Name your movie. Name your advert. Make movie. You click on make movie, and it will render your movie. You can see this is just like 21 seconds. Some adverts will be less than 21 seconds, like 10 seconds. They have given you what they want to give you. So it's all about creativity, how you can write your content and everything. So it's very, very important for you to create content for your whiteboard animation, for your advert, for your educational videos. And like you just sit down and just say, I want to make whiteboard. You have to sit down and create something. You need to bring your creativity out. You need to know what you want to tell people and how to advertise to them, the words, and you need to have keywords that will take them and just keep them glued to the end of your video. So now we have play movie or share movie. If you want to play your movie, you can play. Do you want to share your movie? If you click on share a movie, it will take you. Do you want to share using different app, video maker, WhatsApp, Facebook, you see Video Panda, everything like that. So you can just go ahead and do whatever you want. So that's all for. I'm not sharing my video. I'm okay. So that's all for the Benime app. So thank you for staying to the end and watching the video. I really, really appreciate it. So next is our web design class. See you soon.